Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is Ampere circuital law. So it states that the line integral of magnetic field B around any closed path or circuit is equals to mu0 absolutely permeability of free space times the total current threading the closed circuit. Okay, this is the closed circuit. Just give a diagram. Here we can use Ampere circuital law because it is closed circuit. Okay, mathematical explanation: BdL equals to mu0 to prove Ampere circuital law for a circular path. Circular path is radius r equals to r, magnetic field equals to B, and consider a long straight conductor xy such that a current I flows through the x2y due to flow of current through the conductor. Magnetic field will be produced around it. Consider a circular path of radius r such that current carrying conductor passes through its center O. Let PQ is equal to dl and be a small element of the circular path, and B be the strength of magnetic field at point P. Here is this point. Here this point is P. Okay, and this is the straight conductor. Okay, y2 x2 y, and here I is current. Current is I. Okay, flow to the x2 y conductor. According to the right hand thumb rule, the direction of magnetic field at point P is along tangent to the circular path. The right hand thumb rule, there is a tangent to the tangent. Magnetic field is the tangent to the circular path at that point. Obviously, the vectors B and dl are along the same direction, and hence the line integral of magnetic field over the closed circular path is BdL cos 0 is equal to BdL. The magnitude of magnetic field due to current carrying straight conductor as point P is given by B is equal to mu0 divided by 4 pi 2 I divided by R by the Biot-Savart rule, and we put the value B in here and get dl, and dl is equal to 2 pi R. The carrying the circumference of the circular path of radius R is 2 pi r. So BdL is equal to, just putting the value dl value, closed integral dl value in here, 2 pi r, and we get BdL is equal to mu 0. Thanks for watching.